guys, it's Bunnymon and welcome to today's video. It is an awkward video to make, but I already made one and you really enjoyed it. Hence the view count, the like ratio. What is wrong with you? Also, like, I'm not putting the blame on you. Like, I am the one sitting down watching this, reacting to it and sharing it with you guys. So we are in this all together. All right, let's go and check out Ultimate Women Farting Compilation.
Hello.
That's really
Hello.
She's saying hello to her.
Brett.
I'll keep you guys updated on my stool. Listen.
Oh my god, that one sounded like a piece of poop came out with it. Ew. Ew.
The moment you have all been waiting for. Yes. And that is for the people that wanted me to make another farting video, but I just didn't have one coming. So happy Monday, smash it, fart away, and let's get it.
Oh my god. It's like promoting diet or something. Bro, how did that come out from, like, how?
Order gloves. I'm putting it all
my
together
God. She just said she shot herself.
Bed and you know, gotta have your good night fart.
It's so weird. Why is it still so awkward seeing women fart?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
We do it just like men, but like, why is it a thing?
Hello. You talking to me?
That was funny. Just the reaction.
Send that to him too.
Ew,
Y'all ever
it's
have those
hurting.
farts that just don't feel good? Like it hurts. Because 5 minutes ago I farted, and it was such a profound experience that it is still throbbing. And I want nothing to do with it.
Sweetie, I think you need to go and sit on the toilet while doing that. Ew. Are we done? Who said girls' farts are silent? No, they're not. They're just
All these girls are screaming and none of them are getting the joke.
God, this is like 7 days in the week of her farting. This is from a different perspective as well. Oh my god, why are you doing this? Ew, like the worst part about it is when they get so ready and so hot and they're like posing and like whatever you're watching is so beautiful and then something so nasty. Again, this girl, does she have like a whole fart channel? Ew. And now she's like literally inhaling the farts. Okay, cool.
Tell me a sound that's better than this.
Oh, that's so funny.
Question. Do you guys scroll up on TikTok or do you scroll down? Cause I am a scrolling down mother truck.
That came. Don't pretend you don't know where it came from. Wait, I need people to follow my YouTube channel as a backup. I went live and got banned. I don't want to lose this community I'm building. Bro, building a community through farts?
No cap till the day I die.
Ew, it's a thing. I just can't believe it. It is a thing.
No, that's it.
Ew, 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 ew. Ew.
A big lump of knobs.
It's got the juice.
It's got the juice.
My girl farts are louder than yours. Yo, that went places. Oh my lord. I feel like for some reason I am literally tasting the smell in my mouth at this point. It is so disgusting. So done. I'm so done. I'm so done. I'm so done. That's a grumpy fart.
And it's
That's a Waluigi type of fart.
at the beach, weird but fucking beautiful. Flying in a stars by the pocketful. You wanting me tonight? Impossible.
And he said he wanted the moist message. Ew. Again, this one. Look at her face. What the hell? Ew.
Oh, fuck.
Ew.
This is gonna be a stinky one, guys.
Ew.
Ba-ba-da-boo, ba-bippity-doo, ba-bippity-boppity-boo. Foot of a heart of a hand and a ha, bippity-boppity-boo.
Oh, for
Finisher. Finisher.
Pot roast is good.
Oh my god.
Morning.
Bro, stop farting, please. I'm done. I can't anymore.
Good morning.
I'm done. I'm done. No, no, no. I not. No. Good morning to you too, sweetie. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. I can't anymore. Farts are not the most disgusting thing in the world. That's true. But when you hear thousands of them in 3 minutes, you literally start tasting them in your mouth. Let me go and fart my farts privately and save you the trouble. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Is that the right word we are gonna use here? Enjoyed? Because there are people who enjoy these videos. Am I making these videos for people who are actually enjoying these videos or people who are disgusted by these videos and it's funny for them to watch people getting disgusted by reacting to videos? Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like. Bye.